Tube, one for medicine, and one for the milk. One with glass of distilled water and flexible straw, lubricant, and emesis basin or kidney basin. Knock on the patient's door. So courtesy to the family and the relatives and the patient, just politely ask to relatives and visitor, just leave a moment. Then if finish the procedure, then they will call back. Identify the patient. Close the curtain for the privacy of the patient. Identify the patient by the head part, raised band, and the foot part. So elevate the bed up to your waist. Promote body mechanics 5 inches apart to avoid the back pain and strain of the ankle. Then introduce yourself. Hi ma'am, my name is Ron Nadugor. I'm your caregiver for today. Today ma'am, I'm going to put you on nasal gas tube. Okay? Then elevate the bed in semi-power position. Then put the towel on the chest of the patient. Don't forget to put the gloves. Then next, measuring the tube from the tip of the nose, going to the earlobe, dito. Then, xiphoid process or sternum. Natin nyo. So, 55. So, 55 siya. Then, put the lubricant. Ma'am, I'm going to insert on your nasal. Slowly. Then check the amount of the patient. Then give the water. Sip a little. Then continue. So, 55. Wala akong tape.
55 ang tawag.
So, yan yung niya. Yung measure.
55.
So, wala akong tape. Then, first is aspiration. So, aspiration, clip. Then, open. So, release the air, then release from the clip, then slowly. Then if you see the acid or the green one or yellow one, so it means in the right position. Huwag niyong gagantuhin. Baka naman gawin nyo, edi hinigup lahat yan. So, dandahan lang. Dandahan lang yung pag-ano nyo. Ganyan. So, okay na. Nakita nyo na, meron na siyang doon, acid. So, nasa tamang posisyon na siya. Then next, auscultation or injection. So, ilagay nyo muna dito yan. Kailangan nyo itong stethoscope. Then clip. Then put in the xiphoid process or sa stomach niya. Then release the air. Injection. So slowly, if you hear the gurgling sound, grrr, it means in the right position of the tube. Last one is the immersion. So put warm water. Why? To avoid gastrointestinal problem of the patient. So release, open. If you see they have a bubble, so report immediately to the nurse supervisor because the tube is in the lungs, not in the stomach. If you see they don't have any bubbles, it means in the right position. Next, it's time for feeding. Now again, clip. Open. So first, I'm going to put the water. So the water is 150 cc. So kalahati lang, lagyan nyo ng 90. Para yun ay flusher. So pag may nakita ko kasi dito na may mga kulay orange dyan, ibig sabihin yun yung gamot na binigay sa kanya. So pababain muna. Then release. Pag nakita nyo na nandito na, tsaka yung i-clip. Huwag nyo paabutin hanggang dito kasi magkakaroon siya ng colic. Then, colic kabag. So ma'am, I'm going to give you the Ensure. Okay ma'am? They dissolved it already the powder so that they don't have clotting. Baka mamaya mag-clot dito, magbara. So again, pwede din nyo na i-measure dito kasi pwede nyo naman hanggang dito yan sa may dulo. Tapos pag ganyan na, baba ulit, then release. Pag na dito na ulit, clip nyo ulit, then saka continue na hanggang sa maubos na siya. Huwag nyo didikit ng ganito. Makakontaminate siya, ganyan lang. Tapos pagka okay na siya, then again, release nyo. Itaas nyo ng konti kasi baka mamaya, hindi ba kasi nakahiga. So ngayon pag nakahiga, nahihirapan yan. So kaya gagawin nyo dyan, dandahan lang. Tapos pagka once na inuubo siya, i-clip nyo. Baka naman inuubo siya, sige lang, okay na po yan. So pag inuubo siya, i-clip nyo ulit. Tapos, ano nyo lang, are you okay ma'am? Okay na po. So, ganun lang ha. Iyan nyo, i-rub nyo yung back ng patient nyo. Tapos okay na. Then ma'am, I'm going to give you the medicine. This is the Neosep. This is the liquid. So we have side effect of the medicine. So nausea, vomiting, and headache. So if you need my assistant, I will give you the bell. Then or press the button if they have. So ganun ulit. Bigyan nyo lang ganyan. Release. Pagka naandito na, clip ulit. Then flusher. Yung kalahati doon. Huwag nyo munang ubusin lahat. Kunti-kunti lang. Tapos, clip. Then, ganun ulit. Hanggang sa maubos na siya. Hanggang sa mawala na yung kulay orange dito sa tube niya. Then, pag ganyan na, okay na siya. So, ubusin nyo lang hanggang doon. Tsaka nyo isa i-clip. Then, cover nyo. Tanggal. Then i-clip nyo. To. Okay, pagka na-clip na to, kunin si patient, papunta sa dibdib nyo, para hindi siya magkaroon ng aspiration. Kasi bisa maano yan, uubuhin yan. Then pagka okay na siya, balik ulit. Check. Kasi pinainom nyo ng gamot. Check nyo muna. Baka makalimutan nyo na naman. Baka mamaya meron siyang allergy. Then, kunin na to. Ma'am, after 2 hours, I will give you again the medicine and food. Okay, ma'am? Very comfortable, ma'am? Thank you. Then, balik ulit. Huwag kayong uupong ganito, ha? Baka makita-kita kayo doon. Okay na ba kayo, ma'am? Dapat, ganyan. Body mechanics kayo. Huwag kayo magmamadali. Dandahanin nyo lang para hindi kayo hihingaan o mapapagod. Kasi pag bilisan nyo yan, maaano din siya. Maaalog siya.
Pero sir, dapat naka-tape talaga.
Yes po, naka-micropore dapat siya. Wala akong micropore.
Saan sir?
Pa-X siya. Ito naman, daan pa ko ng micropore. Ito, tatapos sila. Then, leave the patient comfortable. Lagay nyo lang dito, ganyan. Ganyan lang siya. Then, ma'am, I will give you the bell. If you need something, so just make a bell and then I will come back again. Okay, or they have a button. Press the button. Okay? Up the side rail. Down the bed. Then, get all the materials that you use. Open the curtain, close the curtain. Go to the nurse station. Clean all materials that you use. Pinch, remove, skin to skin, lock, then throw or discard it in the trash bin. Then, the alcohol po. So, alcohol, wash your hand to prevent the spread of microorganisms, bacterial viruses that may cause infection and diseases. Record and report to the nurse supervisor that you are done with the procedure. Once again, my name is Ronald Demors, to the Pharmaceutical Powers Institute, caregiving NC2, Bus 80 and the Polo City. Thank you. God willing.